Lily, Lily, it is not a chair, a bed, or whatever. It's your litter tray.
Hello.
Your turn. Oh, is she gonna get it in for me? Oh,
Oh my god, it's a cat out there.
here, kitty, kitty.
I miss my cats. Cat.
Jack the high five and kitten. High five.
Quem? Vem aqui. Ah, menina, eu pedi.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Child, I said.
We shall now find out if the cat can open the door. Oh, she looked at the wall and she was gone.
Oh!
My aunt brought in a freaking dead butterfly. Just... No! 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 You can't.
Besides, if I let you write the script, no one would say anything.
When you focus too much on the booty. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where the booty at? Where the booty at? Where the booty at?
That moment when your cat does a front flip over a balcony full of pigeons.
Kitty.
Hey, Sugar, do you want to hang out with me?
No, you dumbass bitch, lol.
Well then.
Honey, you're too sleepy.
Oh my goodness, look, they just wanted to sleep next to me. Aww.
Pablo.
Ça représente sanction pour ces voleurs à l'étalage. Je vous demande du bonheur.
this date, you can't. What?
No, hombre, ya la tenía un poco vista de vídeos y todo eso.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
I just don't want you to freak out. Just don't move. No. Just stay.
There you go. What the hell? Did you chop that up to hell? You buy.
Ο Θανάσης δεν ξυπνά, ούτε πρόκειται να ξυπνήσει.
You're nuts.
Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't bring.
Break your legs, break the tell them break your legs, break them, break your legs, break the knob and break your legs.
I'm Batman.
I am Groot.
I'm Batman.
I am Groot.
But I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you.
We're going for a walk.
That makes them they are. But he might as well be asking about the roads.
Are you enjoying your paw massage? Right there on the shoulders. Oh yeah.
Do you like bananas? Banana. No, he does not like bananas.
What you doing? You there? Say hi, kitty. Say hi, kitty. Say hi, kitty. Say hi.
Hailey! Kitten parties.
Oh, sorry, what?
I've got to send this to my friends. I gotta.
Do you think I'm pretending? Will make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, that's real.
Whoa, man, that weed was strong as fuck. Where the fuck am I? Dude.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
These are pearls you can't ignore.
What?
Hello, cat. Are you just going to lick yourself there? Of course you are. Why do you do this to me? And yet you lay there, silent. He doesn't.
Kisses? Aw, Dean.
Oh yeah.